This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to the Gold Coast to a tranquil tree-lined street studded with architectural landmarks for a tour of a one-bedroom apartment at Astor House, 1340 North Astor Street. I'm looking at the foyer of Unit 1306, where there's a coat closet off to my left and a stainless steel front-loading washer-dryer off to my right behind a louvered door. The drama in this unit is in this spacious living, dining, kitchen area with windows facing north and west. A ton of designer lighting here, both track and pendant and hanging. Kitchen with 42-inch upper cabinets, all white, really expands the feeling of space. You have a terrific breakfast bar island here. Under counter microwave, oven, there's a cooktop, stainless steel dishwasher, Frigidaire Professional Series refrigerator, and there's a wine rack. Standing in the dining area here, what you're likely to use as a dining area, well, you might set it up as a home office and have a breakfast nook out on this corner with two windows. What a great view. Looking to the west over the building that formerly housed the Playboy Mansion in Chicago. Again, I'm marveling at the level of the finishes here. Heading toward the bedroom, there's another closet set up with shelving. Another closet again, and then the bath has a wall-wide vanity, wood frame mirror, bank of drawers, tile that extends up to the ceiling throughout the bath, and a rain shower head in the shower tub combination. Bedroom has floor-to-ceiling windows, the dark cherry stained flooring that continues throughout the unit, and even more storage. Wide wall of closets with built-in organizers. You have an unusual amount of storage and an unusual amount of space for a one-bedroom here, and a level of finishes that you're not going to find easily anywhere on the Gold Coast. You really have to put the Astor House high on your must-see list if you're looking for a new apartment in downtown Chicago. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.